Hi, I'm going to show you how easy it is to share a tweet and write on top of it with your Writely link ad. So when people click your link, they see your ad with the tweet embedded in a page. So you find the tweet that you want, then open it. So notice here I'm on a Twitter account URL. I click on this tweet and now it's the tweet URL. And that's what you need to start with. So then I'll click on my WriteForge browser button. And I see I have two URLs in here that have been converted to Writely's. I'll click in this one and change that to this link ad. And I'll change this also to a different link ad. Then I'm going to get an image to attach. This is about TikTok. I'll add this image. And then what I can do is check what people will see. So there's this. And here's the tweet embedded in a page with my link ad on top of it. So you'll need to have at least one link ad made with Writely and have your WriteForge browser extension. Then you could just modify the tweet as you wish, edit anything, and decide where you're going to share from. Add to queue, multi-schedule with repeat, or just send now.